Hello everyone, this is Jack from Prius App. Today we are driving to a user's home. The user claimed that there is an error code coming out from the lithium battery. He also noticed that it's dropping MPG, so I'm taking you guys to a journey to do the diagnostic and using the Prius App. I will show you exactly how the Toyota dealership or the technician will do to find out what's happening with the blade of the battery pack. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is the vehicle in question. Talk to the owner. The owner said that the error code happened whenever he let the car idle for more than 5 minutes. So it sounds like there's a defective blade in there. Therefore, every time they drain, that particular blade drains much faster than others, and that will cause an error message. So I'm going to use the Prius app to find out exactly which blade having issue and go from there. Okay folks, we have the OBD2 adapter connected to this Prius V. What I'm going to show you is a very standard diagnostic procedure from Toyota themselves. So this technique not only applied to lithium battery, also good for nickel metal hydrate. So what you need to do is just go to the battery monitor page, and there's one important information you need to see is this voltage differences. This is a difference between the highest voltage and the lowest voltage between two blocks. As you can see right now, the number is really low. That's okay, but when the battery starts draining, you will start seeing this increase. And whenever you see this number over 1.2 volt, error message might pop up. Okay, that indicates one of the blade or one or more blade are much lower than others. This always happen or often happen when the battery is almost drained. So we're just gonna sit here, let it drain, and after 5 minutes we should be able to see the result. While we're waiting, let's talk about Prius App. So for Prius App, most of the features are free. Okay, you can check the battery monitor page, all the information, telemetry, they are all free. You can even recording and export the CSV file to Excel to do data analytics. There's a lot of information you can see from here. If you click into one of the value, it will actually give you a hint on what exactly that means. Okay, so those are there. If you go to the menu, you got full battery test, life expectancy test. These two tests are in-app purchase that you can spend I think $9.99 or $7.99, and you get it for life. It will update it regularly, and you will stay with your account for free. This is not subscription, so start giving me 1-star review. Okay. Also, other free feature history, you can see your past history on all the results from the past. As well as special feature that you will find a lot of useful feature. You can read battery error, clear battery error, read engine error, clear. You can also disable traction control. This is very helpful in the racing condition. Some of the user actually take their Prius to the track. And this is to disable traction control. You can do some drifting. Maintenance mode, it basically keep all the engine running all the time, so you can flush the coolant or stuff. You also can disable the reverse beep, disable the seatbelt beep. Of course, the most famous or most useful one is the override battery temperature, the override battery fan. Basically, you enable it, and it is going to adjust the temperature. Let me adjust to lower, and you can hear the fan start kicking in the back, running at full throttle. Okay. The most important thing I think for any beginner is to choose a good OBD2 adapter. I got a lot of 1-star saying, hey, it's not working. Yeah, of course it's not working because the OBD2 adapter is not compatible. So there's a lot of bad clone adapter out there, and I actually created a page dedicated to that. Just follow http://priusapp.com/obd.html to find out the approval or the compatible OBD2 adapter. That should save you a lot of trouble. Alright, back to the monitor page. The voltage difference is still 0.12. It's getting bigger, but it's still manageable. So let's do a time lapse and see the result in a few seconds for you. We are close to a 40% SOC, 40% SOC, and I can tell you already number 7 is defected. As you can see, all the other has a very uniform voltage curve or voltage reading, but just this one is already at 0.44 differences. So I can tell you this one is a defective blade or block that has to be replaced. Okay, so it's pretty easy. You don't even need to buy anything. Just download DrPreset app and then just run it. When it drains, yeah, that's the result. See, it's keep increasing crazy now. 0.5, very soon it will 0.6. The number 7 is the culprit. All right, thank you guys for watching. If you like the content, please hit subscribe. I guess I'll see you at the next one. Okay, I think I found the problems. I know what the problem is.